This is a quick video update on the 40 meter transmitter receiver, transceiver, whatever you want to call it, and made a couple changes to the circuit here. On the base of the 2N2222, there's now a 10K and a 10K right here, two 10K resistors. That one's been changed from a 100K to a 10K. We've got this one here going to the collector that was 470 ohm. That one's now changed to 220 ohms. And we changed the resistor here, which was also 470. Was it 470? I'm not quite sure what was there. Anyway, changed to 1K. There's a 1 kilo ohm resistor here now from the base to ground. The filter is still the same. That haven't changed any. The transistor now I'm using, because I got more of them, I'm using the C1957 transistor. And that's the circuit built. And the coils don't look 100%, but hey, it is what it is. It's working. And switched by the switch. This switch is actually working in reverse when I thought it would, because when I switched down, it actually works in reverse. So instead of these top contacts being turned off, they're actually being turned on when the switch is flicked up. The switch is backwards from what it, So if I switch up, actually turning the switch on, transmitter on, switch transmitter off. So I'm going to show you the waveform that I'm now getting on the antenna connection. This is the waveform now I'm getting. So it quite a nice bit. Enough to read on my frequency counter, mind you, or registering here. I gotta make a low power watt meter because this thing is putting out about 70 to 80 milliwatts, and that's running the transmitter on 4 AA batteries. So this transmitter is working on 6 volts. The receiver haven't started the receiver yet, but just want to do a little update that that it is working. A little yeah, you can hear it in the radio over there. You can hear it there in the radio here in the background. I'll just turn it off and on there. Wait a second. That's the signal strength here. And this is being transmitted into a dummy load right here, so don't freak out. But but the transmitter section is working. I got a little audio transformer here, so that's going to dump the microphone audio right here directly into this transformer, which hopefully will modulate the collector of the C1957. At least I'm hoping that's what's going to happen, but we shall see. But anyways, that's just a little update on the little 40 meter transmitter. So it is working on 7.2 megahertz. Not showing anything on the counter. The signal's just too low. But if I drive the RF power directly into my frequency counter here, you can certainly see it. I'm trying to do all this one-handed. Not easy. And this T connector, I got the center pin disconnected on one side here, so it's not being fed directly to the counter. But get down there. There we go. So everything's hooked up. There we have it. Switch off, switch on. Anyways, just a little update. Anyway, folks, thanks for watching. Tomorrow now I'm going to work on amplifying the mic audio into this. See if we can drive this transformer to modulate the transmitter. But I think for a first attempt, I think we've done pretty good. Or I should say, I've done pretty good. Those changes on this schematic, you definitely got to do these from what it originally called for. Otherwise, the circuit, the crystal's not going to oscillate. So that circuit, I would definitely go with right here. This one is working, so we want to take a little screenshot. This one does work. Alright, folks, I shall catch you on the next one. So you got, I should refer, that's that filter section right here. So we've got the two 270 picofarad capacitors are underneath the board, but the 560, the center one, is right there. And of course that's the two coils right here. That's the transmit in for 1957. That's the C1957. That's RF into this side, and it comes out through this coil, through this coax right here, and it's going to the center pin on the switch, or the top pin rather, on the switch. The antenna terminal, which is this one, goes to the center, and the receive section, once it gets that working, the receiver is going to sit down here on this one. That'll run the antenna to the receive side. So anyways, that's the video. Hey folks, I'll catch you on the next installment. All the best, and 73.